Hello, it's John Piper with a weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 2nd of April. Quick service announcement: I haven't actually had a holiday for some considerable time. I've also been just tested positive for COVID. It does seem quite a strange disease, COVID. Without a test, you don't really have a clue you've got the thing, nor do you have any clue you actually stopped having the thing without a test, as far as I can see. That's my experience anyway. I did have a sort of bit of a streaming cold yesterday, which is often the end of the process when I get some kind of flu-like thing, but well, I think I've probably still got it at the moment. Anyway, so I'll have a couple of weeks off to try and get rid of this bug. Please feel free to send in an email if any particular questions, and if anything happens that's particularly interesting, I will do a normal report or an update at that point. Otherwise, next report will be in 2 weeks' time on Saturday. Right, Bitcoin, we had the breakout here. We discussed that last week. It's gone up, come back down again, retested, and now up again, which looks pretty positive to me. So if this is a 1, this is a 2, I think it's probably the beginning of 3, and I expect this to continue going upwards after this retest we've just seen here. So I think Bitcoin is looking pretty positive at this point in time. Ethereum is following the same pattern, 1, 2, so the 3 seems to continue up to, well, it may well be still continuing. I mean, it could be that was a 4 perhaps, but the pattern will become clear as we go on. But at the moment, I remain positive on Ethereum and cryptos generally. And I think this could be a particularly good rally, in fact, a good blowout for the whole space, really. So definitely time to be positioned. I imagine you all are in any case. I'll let you know when I think we've got some kind of peak coming in. Gold remains positive as long as these lows here are contained. We don't go down lower than those lows. I mean, it's quite a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So this needs to get build ahead of steam, so that we continue to rally. Obviously, any move below there would be a big question mark on this pattern. Silver less positive with this decline coming in here. It's looking quite good here, really. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's currently be a 4. It's overlapped with the 1 of the thing. Going lower here. It's all a bit dithery. I mean, this does look impulsive and positive, but this is all looking a bit questionable at the moment. So we need to see some resolution to that before it gets any clearer. Very clear, nice clear 1, 2. Third wave thrust, that's clear as well. I mean, that could be the end of 3, I suppose. So we could have 4 coming in now, perhaps. But looking good for continued upside on FTSE at the moment. Ditto the DAX, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 maybe. So maybe this is a third of a third building up at the moment. But certainly looking positive at this point in time. Similarly with the S&P, we had a clear 1 here, ABC down to there. This could be all of 3, in fact, with 4 now coming in. With a 5G, I would expect to complete the 5-wave pattern. This could be 1 of 3, in fact. There's not too much scope for this to go much lower without taking out this 1 level there. But again, the pattern is pretty clearly impulsive to the upside, and it has further to go if that count is correct. And Nasdaq a little bit less clear with a 5-wave decline coming in here, 3, 4, 5. But this could easily be the uptrend resuming, so there's that time with the other markets, in fact. So I think maybe treat this as a wave 1 of new impulsive action at this point in time. And we'll see how that count develops again as we go forwards from here. That's all for today. If that's useful, back with the report in 2 weeks' time. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.